afternoon everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again. And I actually just want to say thank you guys so much. My Instagram page is actually growing, and I don't know, it's because it's growing because I've been mentioning it here and you guys are doing the Lord's work and are following me on Instagram, or maybe because I'm putting in the work to actually try to grow my Instagram page and it's getting traction. I don't know which one it is, but if you are contributing to the growth, shout out to you, and thank you so much. You know that I appreciate you and your actions, ma'am. Then in today's video we are just going to be deep conditioning. Okay, like I'm trying to keep it simple, go back to basics, because you guys know that I've been in this, you know, mental dilemma with my hair and how I've been feeling, you know, emotional dilemma actually more than anything. And I don't know where I am with my hair right now in terms of, like, you know, I'm trying to build confidence with my hair. I'm trying to wear my hair out. I'm trying to style my hair out. I'm trying not to experience hair fatigue, if that's a thing, you know, because I'm a lazy natural. I live in twists. Okay, you guys know this. You know this. You've been riding with me for a very long time, and now I have to figure that out. So today I just want to deep condition, and I'm gonna mix up two deep conditioners because now one is almost finished, and I thought let me just finish it with you guys while we chit chat and just figure out, you know, where I am mentally with my hair and all that kind of stuff. So, and I just also want to say thank you to everybody who's been joining me on my lives. Yes, you can comment, by the way, and maybe suggest who you would like to see on my live, because a lot of you guys have been asking if I would ever collaborate with South African YouTubers, and I do it now, okay, through my lives, and we chat about natural hair and all the kind of stuff. So I don't think you will actually see a collab on my channel, but I definitely think on Instagram you will see it. So drop some names in the comment section of people you think maybe I should DM and be like, hey, do you want to, I don't know, hey, what if they reject me and they're like, who are you? Like, I don't want to be friends with you, I don't want to talk to you. People can be mean, but it's okay. I'll put myself out there for you. I'll do anything. So let us start this video. Alrighty, so we are going to use this because, remember, this is the Dark and Lovely, by the way. This is the Dark and Lovely aloe vera treatment. I think this is the fastest deep conditioner I've used because I've also been using it as a leave-in. I freaking love this thing. I think I'm going to get the papaya one or the banana one. You guys must let me know. Comment papaya or banana in the comment section and let me know if you guys want that. And then I'm going to finish it off with, we're going to mix it with Marcia Island, the daily conditioner, luxury plant-based hair care. So I'm just going to take all of that. I do still have a lot of this. Okay, no, it's not a lot, but I'm just going to put a nice chunk of that in there. So where am I with my hair, right? You guys saw this video here, and I was being very honest and vulnerable about how I feel, because I feel like I really never open up with you guys like that. Is it a safe space? I need somebody to reassure me that it's a safe space. So have I thought about cutting my hair? Yes. Have I thought about cutting my hair very short, dyeing it purple, and becoming a baddie? Of course I have. Who doesn't? Do I see myself rocking a very short hair with a wing line, a strong face, a bold face, lashes? I see myself doing that. I see, like, am I capable of doing it? Definitely. Will I do it? I don't know yet. It's still a question mark. I think I'm going to give myself like the next 6 months, okay? Like, if nothing changes in the next 6 months and I still find it difficult to, you know, take care of my hair, maintain my hair when it's out, then we're going to do something drastic. What do you guys think? I think that's a fair chance, right? So if you guys don't send prayers my way to love my hair as is, I will just cut it in 6 months time, because I love my hair, but I'm not like that attached to it. And I think I need change, you know, like I need change, like, and I'm speaking from a spiritual perspective, mental perspective, life perspective, emotional perspective, YouTube perspective. I mean, I've thought about pivoting my channel, not gonna lie. I thought one day I was just gonna wake up and never do natural hair and just do like plant videos because I love plants. So I don't know, right? Okay, now I'm going to apply the magic potion. I'm expecting a lot of slip from this mixture because the Dark and Lovely has insane slip. So I think the two of them together could work very well. I think I love the smell. Like everything smells really nice right now. So I like that. Oh yeah, this is nice. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do, you guys. I'm going to quickly finish off. I'm going to apply the conditioner throughout my whole hair before it becomes dry, and so that this deep conditioner can actually, these deep conditioners can have a fighting chance. But I have to start it off on wet hair, so I'm quickly going to finish this off and then I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay y'all, so I have been sitting under the conditioner for about I think probably 4 hours because I needed to work, so I had to attend meetings and stuff. So let's just see how my hair looks like. Shoo, you guys, I might have done something there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go wash this off. I'm really pleased with how my hair is feeling right now, and then I'm gonna come back just to show you guys how my hair looks like. So I've just went to go rinse my hair. Just a friendly reminder, please do not use extremely hot water on your scalp. Be gentle, make sure that you are rinsing thoroughly. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. You know when a conditioner just softens up your hair, like this is it. Like my hair feels like a cloud. It's very, you guys can tell elasticity is back. Shine, let's see that natural shine. You guys see that? Like that is just so pretty. That is pretty. You guys can see now my hair is like a happy and healthy. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.